Hello guys, in the previous video we cover React.js Hello World application using function. Now in the today's video we are going to cover React.js Hello World example using classes. So what are the classes? Let's see one by one. If you look at here in the React.js documentation, there is a one fundamental that is component and props. So we will see what is props and what are the components in detail, but for the today's purpose there are two concepts to declare a program or to declare a classes or function. Then the function is nothing but we created one hello world simple program here, and inside this if you want to run that program, I'm just saving that program, and if you want to run this program, open terminal and then type npm start, that is node package manager start. So this is my hello world program. Everyone sees same screen while running hello world program. So if you look at this program, they created this program using function, then function name is app. So there are two approaches while using React.js. Either you can use function or either you can use class. So in today's example, we are going to learn how to write program using classes. If you compare function and classes, so there are different ways to declare props and states into the function and class. We will see afterward. Okay, so if you want to run the program using the classes, then you have to follow this rule. First of all, what we can do, we will delete all this code and we will write one by one. So first of all, we have to write down import, then our react from react. Then if you want to import logo, then you can write down something import logo from, that is dot slash logo dot svg. You can see that logo dot svg is present here. Then if you want to import css, then you have to write down import, then dot slash app dot css, right? So we import these three. After that we have to create a class. How to create? You have to write down something like this, export class, and after that you have to mention class name, that is app. Make sure your class name and file name will be same. Then it extends the react dot component, that is this class will extend from react component classes which have some basic fundamentals. Now after that we have to use render. Then inside this render we have to use return. So this is the syntax of declaring classes in React.js, and inside this return statement you can write down your code. Suppose I am creating one division and giving as a class name, that is app, which is coming from this app.css, that is app text align is equal to center. Then I'm creating one header and give it as a name, that is class name is equal to app dash header. If you compare this app dash header, then you will get background color, height, display and all property. Okay, inside this header, if you want to import this image, you have to write down img src. Then what is the source? We just imported image here. Then you have to write down logo. Oops, sorry. You have to write down logo. Then if you want to add class, then you have to write down class, and we create, already there is a one class present, that is app dash logo. Then make sure image class will close from this method. Okay, then if you want to write down something p, then welcome to React. If you write this and save this program, and if you check this, then oh, there is a one error, that is, yes, one more thing which we have to do, that is after declaring the class we have to write down one syntax, that is export default app. So if we save this and again run this program, can't resolve app.oo, we just create one syntax error, that is css. Save this. Now our hello world program is get ready. So guys, this is how you can declare and program using class method. There are some advantage and disadvantage of function and classes, so we will see one by one. So guys, stay tuned, subscribe our channel and click bell icon to get more updates. Thank you.